Discover the power of context. Boost your vocabulary with synonyms and antonyms. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel where we make English language learning easy, interesting, and fun. Today, we are focusing on an exciting topic: using context clues to identify synonyms and antonyms. Why is this important? Because learning to use context clues is a powerful strategy that will help you expand your vocabulary and improve your overall language skills. So, let's dive in. When we're reading or listening, sometimes we come across words we don't know. The good news is we don't always need to look up every new word in a dictionary. Often, the context of the sentence, the surrounding words, sentences, or even paragraphs, can help us guess the meaning. These hints are what we call context clues. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. How can context clues help us here? Well, when an author uses a difficult word, they often provide a simpler synonym or explanation within the same sentence or paragraph. For example, in the sentence, "He was so elated, so happy, that he couldn't stop smiling," the word happy acts as a context clue, helping us understand that elated means something similar. So, while reading or listening, look out for these context clues that suggest synonyms. Antonyms, on the other hand, are words with opposite meanings. Context clues can help us identify these as well. Sometimes an author will use contrast or opposition to explain a difficult word. Consider this example. Unlike his silent and reserved brother, Jack was loquacious. Even if we don't know what loquacious means, we can infer that it means the opposite of silent and reserved. So, when you come across contrasting or opposing context clues, consider the possibility that you've just discovered an antonym. The key to mastering the use of context clues is practice. When you read or listen in English, actively engage with the text or audio. Whenever you encounter a new word, before reaching for a dictionary, first try to infer its meaning from the context. It might be challenging at first, but with time, this skill will become second nature. And that's a wrap on using context clues to identify synonyms and antonyms. Remember, context is a powerful tool in language learning. So, keep practicing, stay curious about words, and watch your vocabulary grow. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep learning and growing.